Stories for Kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Forfoe, and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Enchanted Forest Adventure. In the land of magic and wonder, there was an enchanting forest called Whispering Woods. Inside this mystical forest, a group of animal friends lived happily together. There was Sammy, the squirrel, Bella, the bunny, Oliver, the dragon, and Charlie, the chipmunk. One fine morning, as the sun painted the sky with hues of gold, the friends gathered around a large oak tree for their daily meeting. Oliver, the wise old dragon, noted something unusual. A beautiful golden key lying at the base of the tree. Curiosity sparkled in their eyes as the animals wondered where the key would lead them. Together, they decided to embark on an adventure to unlock the secrets of Whispering Woods. With the golden key in hand, they discovered a hidden door nestled within the moss-covered rock. The door cracked open, revealing a magnificent pathway leading deep into the heart of the forest. Excitement filled the air as the friends stepped inside. As they journeyed further, they encountered sparkling streams, vibrant flowers, and trees that whispered ancient tales. The forest seemed to come alive around them, creating a magical atmosphere. The animals giggled and gasped in awe, unable to contain their joy. Suddenly, they stumbled upon a small clearing with sparkle pond. In the center of the pond floated a beautiful silver swan. The swan introduced herself as Seraphina, the guardian of the Whispering Woods. Seraphina explained that the golden key was the key to happiness and harmony in the forest. It had been lost for centuries until the animal friends found it. To restore balance to the land, they needed to place the key at the top of the highest hill in the forest. Eager to fulfill their mission, the friends set off, climbing steep hills and maneuvering through thickets. They faced obstacles and challenges along the way, but encouraged each other with their unwavering determination. After a long and adventurous journey, they reached the summit of the highest hill. A magnificent tree stood tall at the peak, and nestled within its branches was a gleaming lock. As they inserted the golden key, a radiant light filled the sky, and the entire forest shimmered with joy. Whispering Woods transformed into a heaven of peace and harmony. The animals rejoiced as the forest burst with laughter, music, and newfound magic. The friends realized that their friendship and teamwork had not only brought happiness to the forest, but had also strengthened their bond. From that day on, the animal friends became a protector of Whispering Woods. They continued to explore the enchanted forest, spreading kindness and sharing stories of their remarkable adventure. And so, in the heart of Whispering Woods, the golden key remained a symbol of friendship, reminding all who visited that with trust, teamwork, and a sparkle of magic, anything is possible. The end.